came in like this. The customer had tried to put a key on themselves and decided to cut this wire off completely to fit inside the display. They've destroyed this scooter trying to apply a key themselves. So firstly, I'm gonna take this display apart so I can have a look, see what damage been done. Okay. So he's literally ripped the yellow wire out to attach the red. This will need another pin to go back in here. Let me see. So I have to bring this all the way back to the to reach this. Okay, I've removed a pin from another clip, and then I'm gonna attempt putting this clip on here. Yeah, so I'll put some solder on this. Okay, so I end up soldering the clip and then the pin and put it back inside the clip. Okay, so I've done the pin, the clip, hit the power button, and nothing happens. Next step is to check to see whether this scooter's got a charge inside. I've reattached the clip and the pin, and it seems to make any difference. So I'm just gonna take out the display motherboard just so I can have a quick look to see on the back. So I can't really see any physical damage on the back. There's a little bit of water ingress, but not enough to kill this display. Yeah, so one next thing I'm gonna do is actually test that pin what I've attached to see if it's connect to here, if it's reaching the connection. So that's the pin I've attached. Yeah, so the connection is definitely reaching on this one. Also, I'm gonna check to see if there's any power coming up in the actual display. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Literally nothing coming up from controller unit to the display. So I think he's when he's attached these wire to this, he's probably put it on the wrong wire and blown the controller unit. So next step is to have a look at the controller unit. Oh my goodness. So as you can see, these are not connected, so that's why we had no power going up to the display. There should be a slight spark when I put this together, as you can hear. I've never worked on one of these before, but yeah, let's hit the power button. Yeah, we got some power. No, we got some power, so that's a good sign. So this key, what this kid wanted to install is not compatible with this scooter, so that's why he was trying to do his adjustment, because it's not a plug and clip and play, or plug and play should I say, and that's why he's done what he's done. After spoken to the customer, they decide not to attach the key, so I went ahead and put the cover back on, and I'm gonna close it back up. Okay, so this scooter is now done.